In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then select All Services. Scroll down to click on Autofill with Google. And then hit Password. Now to add a password, select Add Password over here and follow all of those instructions. At the top you can type in one website or tap on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!